Hi, good evening. So, coming session will be of ankle weight. We are doing ankle weight session. In that, we are doing full body exercise. So, we will start with the hands and then we will shift to the legs. So, we have to do 10 to 15 minutes warm up first, dynamic stretches, and then start the ankle weight. Thank you. Exercise number one, we have put it the ankle weight on the hands, wrist. So, we will do first. Every exercise should be done 1 minute, okay, not more than 1 minute. So, we will start the hand strength. First straight and then sideways. So exercise number two, okay, front hand shuffling. Same 1 minute. Keep the hand straight. Just shuffle for 5 to 6 inches up and down. Not more than. Your body should be straight. Your back should be straight. So exercise number 10, again we are doing for core. For that, you have to keep the leg 45-degree hold with the weight. Hand should be down and you have to pick 30 repetitions. Upper body, pick 30, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So exercise number 12. We are doing power clean push-ups. So you have to keep your body on the ground and push single leg body up. Okay, right and left, 10 right and 10 left. For that you have to go down. Every time you have to push, lift the leg and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So exercise number 11, we are doing for waist strength. Okay, you have to lift the leg sideways, both the leg. For that you have to come sideways. Keep the hand straight, one hand support. You have to lift both the leg. So there is ankle weight in your leg. It will help your waist strength. You have to hold 1 minute right, 1 minute left. If you are keeping your hand support, it will help your body to stand there only. Your leg should be lifted only. Don't make like you're down. Body should be in one line, and you have to change within a 3 seconds. Side change. Exercise number 9 we are doing for core. For that you have to make leg press in ground level. So go back, hands straight down. You have to lift the leg and leg press at the ground level. So it will help your core. Don't lift your leg more than 30 degree. Just press it. We are not doing cycling, we are pressing the leg. So in 20 degree, we are pressing and making straight. This will help your core. Exercise number 7, we are doing now cycling for leg strength. So while doing cycling, you have to keep the leg, every time you have to keep the leg on the ground. Don't hold it in the air, so your lower back will get tired or you will get heavier. So for that, you have to keep the hand sideways, lift straight and let the leg down. Every time you have to keep the leg straight and down. 90 degree up and down. Don't hold it in the air, because we have where ankle weight, it will make your back load. Exercise number 8 we are doing for hamstring and lower back strength. So you have to first bend your knees and leg straight. Every time you have to pick and you have to change the leg, right and left leg. Your feet should be flat while lifting your lower back. When you are picking your lower back, your feet should be flat. So it will help your hamstring strength also. So now we are doing for leg strength. So you have to put the ankle weight outside. When you are putting the ankle outside, you have to tie outside. So make sure tight and weight should be outside, not front or side inward. So it will help. Now we are doing for leg strength. Your back should be straight, hand up or sideways. Okay, and slowly you have to lift the leg and down. Same 1 minute. Slowly you have to kick, knees straight. Exercise number 5, we are doing for chest strength. For that, you have to go down, keep the hands straight. View should be front side and hand both the sideways. Slowly we have to swing the hands. Knee should be straight while doing, so it will not come on your lower back. Even your scalper get active. Exercise number 4. So we are doing freestyle hand rotate first clockwise 30 seconds and anti-clockwise 30 seconds. So slowly and steady you have to rotate the hand first 30 seconds. Slowly rotate your both the hands straight. After 30 seconds you have to change the rotation anti-clockwise. Change, now anti-clockwise.